woof. Jesus, what was I thinking about? And the priest came in and went, you, stand up, boy, you. Choosing guys all the same height, you know. Right, come in. They needed boys for benediction, which is that's my favourite, with all the incense and the hymns. Ooh, Latin, tantum ergo. And they have a big line of altar boys, they're like spear carriers in a Roman movie, you know, standing with candles. But one boy gets to hold the thurible, which is a little vessel that holds the incense. And you swing it like that, and the smoke comes belching out. And it's the most glamorous job an altar boy can get. And I couldn't wait, you know. And you're up higher than everybody. I said, I could do that. I could change it forever. Walking the dog, you know.